Well, Elliott is at West Henderson Hospital for their Summer Fun Health Fair. And of course, he found the food. So what's cooking, Elliott?
Wow, I'm deeply offended by that. But of course, I followed my nose, and I also catch up with Joyce Mlaskevich right here, who's the Chief Nursing Officer for West Henderson Hospital. There is a food demo going on behind us. We'll get onto that. I'm sure we'll both be eating it. But Joyce, obviously, one of the things about good health and being, a good patient and being prepared is eating right, and that's essential, right?
Absolutely. We need to be sure that we continue to eat healthy and stay healthy because your health is all that you have, right? Money can't buy health, so we have to do what we have to do.
It's true, and also the Beatles told me it can't buy you love either. Oh. But one of the things that you need to be careful of is making sure that our hearts are healthy.
Yes, and that starts with making sure your blood pressure is under good control. So here at our health fair, we actually are doing blood pressure checks. If blood pressure is not controlled, it can lead to stroke, to heart attacks, and many other health issues. So it's important to keep that blood pressure under good control.
West Henderson Hospital comes with many accolades, and one of the things that you guys pride yourself on is elective surgeries. Now, elective surgeries for a lot of people, they may not get in contact with anyone from an executive level, but you guys, actually, one of the things you told me you actually really enjoy is contacting with people.
Yes, it's actually our wow moment. We wanted to have wow moments, and so every elective surgery patient, we actually call them the C-suite. Picks the phone up and calls them the day before surgery. And actually the next day that they come in for their surgery and have surgery and they're in a room, we go visit them. And that is absolutely the best part of my day, meeting our community members that we are taking excellent care of here at West Henderson Hospital.
Yeah, clearly showed and reflected in the awards you guys have received as well. This fair today as well, lots of significant things happening. We mentioned some of the fun, the face painting for the kids as well, but there's also, lots of information people can gather when they come here, right?
Absolutely. All types of information, community resources that are available to our community members, and that's what it's all about, making sure that they have those resources available to them.
And one of those things is reflected in what's happening behind us. Like you mentioned, Jessica, the food that's going on that I followed. What exactly is the exec chef here demonstrating to customers and potential patients?
So healthy snacks, chia pudding, as well as a protein ball that is very tasty, to be quite honest.
Mm-hmm. And these are the kind of things that you guys promote here, you guys want to share with, obviously, with the people attending the fair today and with potential patients. It's making sure you're maintaining, getting the right protein, getting the good balance, but making sure everything is done in proportion.
Absolutely. Everyone wants to enjoy a little bit of the sweets, but at the end of the day, like I said, your health is all you have. Money can't buy health, so let's make sure that we stay healthy.
And this is running till 11 o'clock today. Joyce and I are probably, as you mentioned, Jessica, going to partake in this. So should we go and get involved and go and join? Chef, we're going to come and help you guys out. All right. Get down here today before 11.